Emergency supplies to be 2 weeks ready for hurricane or other emergencies are vital in Hawaii.
That includes 14 gallons of water for each person, food for 2 weeks, a battery-powered radio, flashlight, and other items.
A household with Kūpuna may have additional needs. Although anyone may have a disability or medical needs, these needs are often more common among older members of our household.
Disabilities that impair movement may cause difficulties in an emergency, especially for people living in high-rise buildings if the power goes out. It's also important to know what medications are needed, so make a list and update it when prescriptions change.
Medicine can be expensive. Rather than getting 2 weeks of extra medication, refill prescriptions early if you can, to make sure that you have at least a 2-week cushion before you need a refill.
Power outages are common during emergencies, so pay special attention to medicines that need to be refrigerated.
If they can't be kept at room temperature for 2 weeks, you may need to include a cooler and ice or Kūpaks in your kit. Store liquid medicines such as insulin so it's not directly touching the ice, so they stay cool but do not freeze.
If someone in your Ohana needs special medical equipment that runs on electricity, you may need to include battery power or a generator in your plans. If the power is out and you have no way to use life-saving medical equipment, treat it as an emergency and seek help from first responders.
The more complicated your medical needs, the more vital it is to make a plan in advance, before an emergency happens. A plan helps you to be more prepared and gives you more control over your situation. If you have concerns about emergency planning for medical needs, talk to your doctor, your family, your friends, or a neighbor you trust.
In our next episode, we'll put all the pieces together for a big Ohana trying to prepare.